McKenna, we really need to talk about the elephant in the room, which is the storms that we're tracking.
And we do unfortunately have another severe thunderstorm warning right through Denton County. These are the same areas that we saw those warnings a little bit earlier this afternoon, late this afternoon and evening, where we saw video of the plane flipped over at the Denton airport. We saw very strong winds move right through that area, and unfortunately it is those same spots where we are seeing it yet again. So you'll notice that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Denton County, but we've also got a line of storms moving through Tarrant County as well, and eventually headed into Dallas County. This is as a cold front is working right through the area. Now that severe thunderstorm warning is in effect. It includes portions of Cook, mostly in Denton County, and also a portion of southern Grayson County. This is for wind speeds up over 60 miles per hour. We've also got some small hail associated with this, but primarily the focus with that storm is going to be that strong damaging wind threat. We've also got the frequent lightning that's impacting places like Sanger, headed into Pilot Point, Aubrey, Denton's headed right through the city of Denton. So again, this is an area that was already hit pretty hard starting just after the 6 o'clock hour this afternoon. We hopped up on the stream there, and then that moved right into Collin County and caused some problems there as well. Now this is tracking into Lakewood Village about 10:21, Little Elm 10:23, Hackberry 10:26, Salina looking at 10:33, Prosper 10:34, Frisco 10:37. These are places that were already hit by that round of storms a couple of hours ago. So again, more on the way for the northern portions of the Metroplex. We have a short wave rolling through. That's bringing with it a cold front, but also we've got this area of low pressure. You can see some of that counterclockwise spin starting here along the Red River and then back into portions of the Metroplex around that area of low pressure. So that is going to continue to bring us impacts into the overnight hours. This is our Storm Prediction Center threat. That is that level 1 out of 5 risk for strong to severe storms. That level 1 risk is in place when we're expecting just a few pockets of severe thunderstorms, which is what we have seen this evening. That cold front continues to march down to the southeast as we head into the overnight hours. Notice this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. The bulk of that storm activity by that point is into our southeastern counties. Clears up fairly quickly tomorrow. Tomorrow's rain activity is mainly during the morning. We get into mid-morning and the early afternoon. Most of that has started to clear up. We'll start to see some sunshine, and then it's just going to be isolated shower chances into the rest of the weekend. Sunday, I think most everybody stays totally dry with just a quick light shower threat. You'll notice that reflected here with those very low end rain chances through the upcoming weekend. This cold front, though, will knock our temperatures down several degrees. Notice places like Paris, a high of 72 tomorrow. For us in the Metroplex, we're looking at highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. By Sunday, we're looking at temps in the middle 80s, a little bit of a warm up, a nice comfortable weekend once we get rid of this rain. And again, the bulk of that looks to clear tomorrow morning. It will clear lastly in our southern counties. Next week, we dry out. We're looking at a whole lot of sunshine. Upper 80s Monday, back into the 90s by the middle of next week. Amelia, lightning.